So I'll be showing you how to switch on the flashlight on your iPhone 15. I have the 15 Pro Max here, but this works on all the iPhone 15 models. So the first way you want to do this is by going to the control center. And in the control center, you should see the flashlight icon. Tap on it once, and as you can see, that turns on your flashlight. Okay, and tapping on that again will turn it off. It's really that simple. Now, while you're here in the control center, you can also adjust the flashlight brightness. If you long press on the flashlight icon, you can adjust how bright or how dim the flashlight is, depending on what you want really. So as you can see, the more we scroll up, the brighter it gets, and the more we scroll down, the dimmer it gets. Okay. Now another way you can turn the flashlight on your iPhone 15 is on the lock screen. So let's go ahead and lock the screen. And when we unlock successfully, if you turn on the lock screen, you should see a flashlight shortcut here. So you can long press on that, and that's going to turn on the flashlight. Okay, another long press will turn it off. Now also, you can make the action button a flashlight button. Okay, if you want to remap the action button, you can actually remap it to the flashlight. So go to settings, the main settings page, go to action button, tap on that, and then by default it's on silent mode. You can scroll to flashlight. Okay, and then once you select flashlight, you can now hit the back button, and now you can quickly turn on the flashlight simply by pressing and holding the action button. Press and hold, turn it on, press and hold to turn it off. And these are the different ways you can turn on the flashlight on your iPhone 15. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.